Parents, it's way too hot to be making 3 or 4 trips carrying all your stuff to the beach or the ball game. Check out this wagon I got right here. You can do it in one trip. It's compact, it opens right up. It's heavy duty, it supports 440 pounds. It's double decker, so you got room for all your stuff. You can put your longer stuff on the bottom, like your canopies and your tents and your chairs. You have plenty of room up top for your chairs and your coolers. 320 liters of carrying space. It even holds my large zero gravity chairs, no problems. Even enough room for your kids to ride. Big all-terrain tires with plenty of clearance. It even has a braking system you can engage so your stuff won't roll off. This wagon makes carrying your stuff a breeze. It's even got mesh on the side so you can pack it full. 2 cup holders for convenience. Got an adjustable telescoping handle that's spring-loaded so your handle will never touch the ground. This wagon is sweet. Beach, sports, camping, groceries, this wagon's got you covered. It'll carry it all. They're on a big sale right now. If you don't want to miss out, I'll put a link right down below for you. Enjoy your summer.